YouTube? I'm here to show y'all how we caught shorts today from QQQ. So I'm gonna give it a little minute. Pick up. All right, so going into New York opening. At this point, we in pre-market. So I know we got news at 10 o'clock or whatever, but I'm overall bearish. So if we're looking at it from the daily candle POV, you have open, you run high first. On a bearish day, you want price to open up and we run highs first because that's gonna put in the high of the day, and then we drop to put in the low of the day, meaning a bearish day. So our goal as traders is to catch this move right here, to about down here, or get out somewhere in between. Get out somewhere in between. So today we took QQQ shorts. We was in live VC in the Discord with everybody else. We took some nice trades today. Everybody did good today. Trade ran for like 250% on my end. So we go to live trading session. We was in here chopping it up. We was over here cooking. I end up hitting for over 200% on the trade. Ran for 200%. So at this point, I know we got news at 10 o'clock. I'm waiting for us to displace lower. Now it's a way that you can anticipate the displacement, right? So at this point, this is the last gap that was holding up in price. So we're gonna mark that out. So you want to see price displace but lower and come back up into this inversion or a breaker, whichever or it's near, right? So I'm gonna let price play through. So at this point, I'm thinking, okay, if price breaks below this last low, we took out this high, this becomes a breaker, right? So now what happens? Just like we said, price comes back into that inversion fair value gap. Breaker on top. Now that's a unicorn model. Unicorn model is when you know the uptrend, shift, boom. So within that shift and that, you have a breaker block right here. And then you have obviously the fair value gap on top. This is called a unicorn model. So this is what I look for in all my trades. So as you can see, we never closed above this imbalance. And all we did was go into the breaker block. That's why I held the trade. That's why I had us holding the chat. After being able to hold this trade, we ran. We targeted previous day lows. I told them we was gonna run low. I told them we was gonna run previous day lows before market even opened up. We looked overly bought. We were sitting above previous week highs, previous day highs. We was obviously due for a retracement. And you're going to 5 minute time frame. As you can see, I did break structure to the downside, and we targeted them lows. Now, a hack you can do if you never know where price is going to go is you can use the most recent high with the fib, go to the low, and as you can see, these are called standard deviations. Now I use a 3 minute time frame, but these are called standard deviations. Put it on the most recent market structure shift, and you're going to target that -2 to -2.5 deviation area because this is considered a smart money reversal. So whole time I told them take these shorts. Trade ran for 200%. So we waited for price to come back up here. We risked the high. I told them if price come above the high. So I sent out a trade. It ran for a 1 to 11 in a Discord, and we all ate. So our target was previous day lows, but my main target I held a little longer than everybody else because I realized a lot of people don't know, or a lot of people don't have the mental to hold through pullbacks, hold through retracements, and stuff like that. So I held a little longer, and price ended up breaking through the negative 2.5 area. Whole trade amount was a 1 to 12 that I sent out, and yeah, today was a cool little day. We did caught the bounce. We caught the bounce right out of this area right here. It was a cool little bounce. One of the students caught it for about. Let me see if he. Here you go right here. He caught it for $500. So he took my trade that I took on options when I told him we was gonna bounce, and then um and then made 500. But yeah, so that was a trade breakdown. Y'all got any questions? You can like, comment, subscribe, all that, and let me know what's up. Can you be more transparent with your metrics? I live trade every day. I'm in the chat. Live trade every day. They see if I'm winning, if I'm losing. You can't fake live executions when you send them out to a chat. Everybody else taking my trades. We all either gonna profit or we all either gonna lose. And people in my chat barely lose because I'm sending out winning trades. And I live trade on YouTube. So you need data on my trades, just go look at the live trading. You can't fake live trades. So yeah, man. But I will catch y'all in the next video. Finna end this live. We finna go ahead and post this video. I'm right there to being monetized, so if y'all can, like, comment, subscribe, and show the support. I'm right there. So I appreciate y'all. I will see y'all in the next video. If you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. I'll answer y'all questions or whatever in there. And yeah, I'll see y'all later. Leah, text me. I can help you with that. Tay, text me. I'll help you. And yeah.